Thank you for your interest in the 2-in-1 High Frequency plus Galvanic Facial Machine by Skin Act. This reliable machine is designed to provide powerful and consistent performance with every use. The tabletop design makes operation a breeze and sheds valuable counter space in clinics, spas, and salons alike. When the high frequency is turned on, you are able to control the intensity level based on client's comfort. Featuring 3 high-quality glass electrodes, high frequency helps to revitalize the skin with increased oxygen flow and an improved texture, tone, and overall glow. When the galvanic is turned on, you are able to control the intensity level based on client's comfort. You may switch to either a positive or negative ion treatment. During treatment, the galvanic meter will display the intensity force as shown. Featuring 1 galvanic roller for large areas of the face and neck, 1 ball tip for specific targeted areas, and 1 galvanic rod for either client to hold or use during treatment. As a reminder, please keep all original packaging until you've fully tested all functions of the unit. It is recommended to keep the original packaging until the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functionalities. Thank you for your interest in the 2-in-1 High Frequency plus Galvanic Facial Machine by Skin Act. If you would like to learn more, please click at the top left of the video.